If your HP printer is skipping lines or leaving blank gaps, it's usually a printhead, ink, or driver issue. Try these steps in order. Most problems are fixed by the first few. 1. Run HP printhead cleaning. Most important. Ink nozzles often clog. On the printer screen, go to Setup Tools Maintenance, select Clean Printhead or Clean Cartridges. Print the test page. Repeat up to 2-3 times if needed. Don't run it more than 3 times in a row, it wastes ink. 2. Check ink levels and cartridges. Replace low or empty cartridges. Make sure cartridges are genuine HP. Refilled cartridges often cause line gaps. Remove cartridges and reseat them firmly. 3. Align the printhead. Misalignment can cause skip lines. Printer menu or HP software. Align printhead, align cartridges. 4. Clean the printhead manually if cleaning fails. Only do this if automatic cleaning doesn't work. What you need: lint-free cloth, distilled water or isopropyl alcohol 70-90%. Steps: turn off printer and unplug it. Remove cartridges. Gently wipe the printhead copper contacts and ink nozzles. Let dry for 10 minutes. Reinstall cartridges and print a test page. 5. Check print quality settings commonly overlooked. On your computer, open Print Preferences. Set quality to normal or best. Disable draft fast print. Turn off econo mode. 6. Update or reinstall HP printer driver. Corrupt drivers can cause missing lines. Download the latest driver from HP's official website. Avoid using generic Windows drivers. 7. Try a different paper. Low quality or damp paper can cause ink absorption issues. Use plain, dry A4 paper. Avoid curled or recycled paper. 8. When it's likely hardware failure. If lines are missing in the same place every time, even after cleaning, printhead may be permanently clogged or damaged. Common on older inkjet printers: printhead replacement or print